Welcome to the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers San Francisco District, where the Corps has been serving one of America's most beautiful cities and regions since 1866. Today, the district is responsible for projects spanning 40,000 square miles, much of it located along the scenic California coastline, as well as 3 coastal watershed regions and a vast estuary rich with wildlife. They are projects that affect the security and quality of life of nearly 7 million people and are vital to billions of dollars in commerce that transit the Bay Area's ports and waterways. One of the district's main responsibilities is ensuring the navigation of the San Francisco Bay and its ports and harbors in order to keep some of the busiest seaports on the West Coast accessible to world commerce. Dredging the harbors in the port cities that line the bay, including the region's largest at Oakland, is one of the district's many major tasks. It was dredging conducted by the Corps that helped California make history in 2015 when the largest container ship ever to visit the United States was able to berth in Oakland Harbor, underscoring the importance of the role the San Francisco District plays not only in keeping the region's shipping lanes navigable, but by contributing to hundreds of millions of dollars in commerce and the creation of thousands of Bay Area jobs. Ever since a seaplane carrying Navy Admiral Chester Nimitz, the Navy's Pacific Fleet commander, struck floating debris and crashed into the bay in 1942, Congress has required the Corps to keep the bay's federal channels free of debris, and on most days, the district's catamaran, the John Dillard, is out patrolling the bay, scouring it for any debris that might affect navigation. Debris like this dinghy is typical of the kind of material the Dillard's crew routinely removes from the bay as they scour the waterway, hauling everything back to a base yard in Sausalito in nearby Marin County, where the Dillard drops anchor. The picturesque port is also home to a huge replica of the San Francisco Bay known as the Bay Model. It's actually a working hydraulic model of the bay and its delta system that for decades allowed oceanographers to simulate tides and currents and develop accurate predictions of bay conditions that are key to navigation. That's all done with computers now, and the bay model, while still simulating tides and currents, has become a destination for tourists, thousands of whom visit the site annually. But the work of the district goes beyond the bay. The Corps is also responsible for flood management and the operation of lakes in nearby Sonoma and Mendocino counties, as well as environmental and habitat restoration across the largest estuary on the Pacific coast. To accomplish all of this, the district employs scores of highly trained engineers, environmental planners, regulators, park rangers, biologists, project managers, and many others, delivering engineering solutions to a region known around the world for its natural beauty and quality of life. We are the San Francisco District, building strong.